How to troubleshoot AVG antivirus installation error. 2 quick solutions. Method 1, delete existing antivirus program. Step 1, click on the Windows search menu, type in Control Panel and open it. Step 2, set view by to large icons. Step 3, select Programs and Features, select the other security program and click Uninstall. Step 4, make sure to uninstall all the other antivirus programs. Step 5, once done, close the window and restart the system. Method 2, ensure that setup file is uncorrupted. Step 1, go to the folder where you've saved the AVG setup file. Step 2, right-click on the setup file and select Properties. Step 3, go to the Digital Signature tab and you should see either 1 or 2 signatures from AVG Technologies. Step 4, select a digital signature and click Details. Step 5, locate the message displayed below the digital signature information. Step 6, if the digital signature is OK, download the setup file again. Step 7, if the digital signature is not valid, download the setup file on a different PC and transfer the file to the original PC. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.